Praise be to God. Daily One Missionary Biography. Today's missionary, Charles Wesley. Date of birth, 1812-1707. Date of death, 29/3/1788. Native place, Epworth. Country, England. Place of vision, America and England. Charles Wesley was an English leader of the Methodist movement and younger brother of the Methodist Church founder John Wesley. From his childhood, he was brought up in the fear of God. Charles learned Greek, Latin, and French from his mother. Later, he spent 13 years at the Westminster School and then graduated at Oxford. While at Oxford, he formed the Holy Club with few others and strictly followed a spiritual life. Owing to the group's strict religious regimen, which included rising early, Bible study, and prison ministry, the group was called the Methodist League or Methodist. Charles was appointed as a presbyter of the Church of England in 1735. He, along with his brother John, served as a missionary in Georgia, America. While living there, he was slandered, beaten, and shunned by the natives. Disappointed, he came back to England, where he met Moravian Peter Böhler, who guided him to the experience of salvation. His acquaintance with the Moravian helped him to experience a deeper communion with the Lord. Thereafter, Charles toured England and fearlessly preached the gospel to tens of thousands of people, often outside the churches. His teachings were tough and often attracted the wrath of the church authorities. Charles is also a famous hymn writer, and it is said that he averaged 10 poetic lines a day for 50 years. The most memorable hymns of Charles include Hark the Herald Angels Sing, Oh, for 1,000 tongues to sing, Love divine, all loves excelling, Jesus, lover of my soul, and Christ the Lord is risen today. His hymns fill with hearts of many with praise and worship, and still continue to change the lives of people. Even when his health started failing him, he continued to preach in the Methodist chapels and wrote songs on his deathbed as well. Beloved, do you use your talents to bring others to Christ? Lord, I will use all my talents to bring glory to your name. Amen. God bless you.